Do you have enough money to go out and buy yourself a new camera today? Probably not. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create cinematic videos on your phone. Now I'm actually going to show you my settings. I'm sitting at 5.0 with my f-stop, and I have my exposure actually to -3 because it makes it just a little bit darker without having any of your shadows or highlights blown out. So basically with this video, and what I wanted to create is my establishing shot. And so I started pretty high up, and then I slowly started bringing my phone and the angle of which my phone was to eye level with the car. And so I started pretty much like this, and then I slowly brought it just straight down the further I got down to the front of the car. So that way it created a nice, simple, and easy establishing shot. Alright, so for this next one, basically all I did was a small panning movement. And what that means is basically when you're on your subject, and then I pan left to right to show either more of the car, less of the car, or rotate around the specific subject that I'm recording. So with this next one, all I did was do a simple zoom shot. All I did was just slowly push my hands towards the badge of the car, and without having to artificially zoom in on my phone and lose all the detail. I just think it's a lot easier and better if you just do this slight movement in towards your subject. Alright, and so for the last shot, I basically do what I did in the establishing shot, except tilting from the top to the bottom. I start low, and then I tilt to where I'm pretty much above the car in my finishing shot. So if I taught you something new today, hit that subscribe button because it helps me out, and I hope you enjoyed the video and that you continue coming back.